Hey guys, so right now at the shop we have a 2020 Jeep Compass that some rodents have been feasting on. So we're gonna take a look at it. So we've got the compass with the hood open now. And with this compass, it does not start. So that tells us that our little friend was in here chewing on some wiring. As you can see, there's a lot of rodent debris, especially right here in the engine compartment and underneath the hood. They like to hide out into small, warm spots, so that's why it's mostly common for underneath the hood and in the engine compartment. Now, if you say you didn't drive your vehicle a lot or it sat for a while, then it makes sense. If you drive your vehicle every day and you still have a rodent issue, it can happen in a matter of minutes. So, with that being said, some things that we can do to prevent rodent damage is have your vehicle inspected at least twice a year, because this is going to allow a certified technician to inspect under the hood, and they'll let you know when they see rodent debris in the engine compartment, in the cowl, or in the cabin air filter compartment. And we do not want that, because the cabin air filter filters the air that you breathe, and so you'll be breathing in all that bacteria from the rodent debris. So we want to make sure we get this addressed as soon as possible. Also, with this one, because it's a no start and we've got rodent debris, our client did file an insurance claim, which is awesome because typically they will cover it. Not 100% of the time, but most of the time. Another thing is we are needing to do extensive electrical testing. So with rodent issues, it's not just plain and simple, oh, there they chewed it. There's so many wiring and computer modules built into the vehicles nowadays that we have to trace and test all the wiring, figure out which computers are not communicating properly, and trace and test everything. So it can be pretty extensive and time intense. So if your vehicle isn't starting or you have suspicions of some rodent damage, go ahead and give us a call at 831-899-2425 or go to our website at waysidegarage.com and you can schedule online.
Thanks.
Of course.